Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be example 2 for section 3.2. So now we are checking to see if something is linear or nonlinear, but we're looking at tables. When you're looking at tables, all you're going to do is make sure you have a constant rate of change throughout the entire table. What that means is your y has to change the same way as your x changes over and over and over again. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how much y changed, how much x changed, and then make sure that they stay constant throughout the entire table. And it'll make more sense as we dive into it. So let's just look. When we look here, y went down by 6 as x increased by 3. And we see that that continues. Y goes down by 6 as x increases by 3. Y goes down by 6 as x increases by 3. So one thing I want to elaborate on that the book doesn't do is the slope. What is the constant rate of change? The constant rate of change is -6 divided by 3. So, sorry for that bell. The constant rate of change here is -2 over 1, or just -2. That's what you want to do, is make sure you reduce every time. Every single time, reduce. Because right now it's very obvious, but I'm telling you at some point, they're going to leave one of these out, and it will be a constant rate of change. You're just not going to reduce the fraction, and that's where you're going to make a mistake. You're going to think it's not linear when it is. So just remember, your constant rate of change is the change in y divided by the change in x, or rise divided by run. This thing went down 6 to the right 3, down 6 to the right 3, down 6 to the right 3. This has a constant rate of change, so this is a linear function. Now let's look at b. We go up 7 to the right 2. Then we go up 11 to the right 2, up 15 to the right 2. So here we see our rate of change is not constant. Y increased by 7 when x increased by 2, but then it increased by 11 as x increased by 2. That right there is enough to tell you we do not have a constant rate of change, so we are not looking at a linear function. In this section, along with chapter 1, is a lot of definitions. Make sure you are saying these words as you do your homework. Do I have a constant rate of change? Yes or no? What does it mean to have a constant rate of change? These questions are imperative. These are the questions you have to be able to answer for your test. So right now, get in the habit of saying it the correct way. And if you can say it the correct way now, I promise you, come test time, it will be much easier. Thank you, guys.